Hello everyone, how are you today? So today I'm going to discuss about the BullStar strategy. This strategy works only bullish trend. So in this I'm going to discuss about the what all the indicators you need to follow and what all the rules when you can plan your entry and your exit. So let me go to the chart and start with it. So today in this videos I'm going to discuss about the Nifty 50. Last couple of videos I have been discussing about the Bank Nifty. So I want to change and whoever trades on the Nifty can also understand and relate. This strategy works in Bank Nifty and Nifty only, and you can also use in the stocks. So it's you have to do on your back testing. So I have already done all the back testing and mark my all the when you can take an entry and exit. So let me discuss about that. So in the last trending day was 11th of November, and this strategy works perfectly. Let me explain. So you have to open all three indicators. So you can go and search for the EMAs, moving average. This is the indicator you need to use. So once you enter that indicators, it open like this. Make it 9. Indicate length is 9. Another, and you can add multiple indicators. There are three indicators you can use. So you make a one for the 9, another for the 20, and third one was a 50. Apart from that, don't do any changes, just hit OK or set as a default. Right, once you use all three indicators, so 50 moving average, it shows the trend. It's going to be uptrend or downtrend. It's like that. And other two where we can do planner, exit, or entry. Okay, so on the 11th of November that you see, it's a crossover, right? It's crossover of 9 EMA and 20 EMA. 9 EMA will always be on the top, and the mid will be your 20 EMA. That I have also mentioned over the here. So you have to use three indicators: 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA. It all, and the 9 EMA or should be on the top, 20 EMA should be in the middle, and the last will be a 50. And the candle should touch both indicators, which mean that the candle should touch the 9 EMA and 20 EMA, either candle or shadows, but it should not touch your 50 EMA candle. So here I can see that happened, right? It's touching the 9 EMA and 10 and 20 EMA, and it's also my another, like my 9 EMA, it's on the top, and the middle is a 20 EMA. And what you see is a huge gap up, right, on 11th. Let's go to on. So it's sometime it works, this strategy time works, sometimes it doesn't. So you have to see that, because in the 10th it's a completely reverse direction, right? It's a trend get changed, so we do not have the scope. I have another strategy for the bearish that I'll talk about over in the next video. Okay, so on the 9th, same condition is happening. The 9 EMA is on the top, middle is 20 EMA, and 50 EMA is the bottom. It touching both, right? It's the candles touching both EMAs, and what you see is it's a bullish. And after, okay, so one more thing, if you see this strategy trigger after 2 p.m, you can do your BTST, you can plan your BTST. You will definitely get a next day uptrend. So that happened over here, and you fix with your stop loss with the 18 points, and you will get the 170 point. That's a huge, right? So whenever you, whichever candles touching it, go for the trend and mark your stop loss at the end of the candle, right? That's happened on the 9th, 7th again, because between that is a holiday. Same condition happened. 9 EMA on the top, middle it's 20 and 50, and is touching it the shadow. That the number of profit that you see is huge. I mark it should be like this, because next is a gap up. So just giving a 14 point of stop loss, you're getting a 155 profit. That's a huge, right? So same thing, next is a complete reversal. We're not going for the trend, because trend is getting changed. On the 31st, same condition happened. 9 EMA, 20 and 50, and you see the huge profit. profit. So wait for the this scenarios and take a trends. So yeah, that's a whole. I just discussed about the when you can take a entry. Let me discuss about the when you can plan your exit. So exit always will, you should plan like a trailing stop loss. So whenever you get a for example here you take a 35 point of stop loss, so you take a ratio wise like 1:1. So if you have a 35 stop loss, then go for the 35 whatever for your next target after that, because a huge gap up. So this is not the case over here. Let me go for the any other trade, because it always works in the after two. It's a huge, always give you the right gap up or gap down, right? So this is a perfectly and best strategy whenever we do the trailings or whenever we take a BTST. Yeah, okay, so let me discuss over here. So after like 10:30, you see that the same condition happened, because in the previous candle it's been touched. So once you take an entry, it's a 79, right? So if your target is a 79, go for a next 79 is your 1:1. After 1:1, move your target like this. Now you will get 1:2. After 1:2, move your target on top, and your trailing stop loss will be the next. So you made 3 trailing stop, right? 3 trailing stop loss that you did, and that's how you get the profit, and you can take a maximum profit over here. So yeah, that's all I have to discuss. So if you like my strategy, please do follow and do back testing, because back testing helps you out that how it's working in you, and you will get the confidence of this strategy. Please do use, and if you actually use with the small amount, and please comment and subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.